Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to sign up for Binance on your PC, step by step. If you sign up using the link below this video, you'll receive a 20% fee discount and bonus rewards, so I highly recommend registering through the link. First, I'll show you how to create your Binance account. When you click the link below this video, you'll be taken to the Binance sign up page. Here, you can see that a 20% Binance fee discount and bonus rewards are provided. First, please create your account using either your email address or your mobile phone number. Next, check the box to agree to the terms below, and then click Continue. Please find and click the image that matches the word shown in the top left. Enter the verification code sent to your email or phone number. Next, enter your password. Make sure it includes uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers, and is at least 8 characters long. If the inviter code page appears, please enter BB222. This will give you a 20% Binance fee discount and various rewards. Once you complete this step, your Binance account creation is complete. Second, I'll show you how to complete your KYC verification. To deposit, withdraw, or trade on Binance, you must complete KYC verification. Since KYC verification requires facial authentication, we'll complete this step on your mobile phone. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and log in using the account you just created on your PC. Once you move on, you'll be taken directly to the verification page. First, select the country you currently live in. Next, proceed with your ID verification. Choose one of the ID document options shown below. For this example, I'll select passport. Now, prepare your ID and tap Take pictures. Then click Continue. Align the passport's information page within the camera frame and scan it. After that, continue with the facial verification. Follow the on-screen frame, move your face as instructed, and blink your eyes. Once you complete these steps, your KYC verification will be submitted. The review usually takes about 1 hour, and then your verification will be approved. Finally, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator. Now, please go back to your Binance PC screen. From the menu on the left, click Account, and then select Security to set up your security settings. To set up your Authenticator app, click Manage. Then click Enable Authenticator app. Complete the verification using your email or mobile phone. A pop-up will appear showing a QR code. Now, please install Google Authenticator on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app and tap the plus button in the bottom right corner. Then select Scan a QR code. Scan the QR code displayed on your PC screen. After that, Google Authenticator will generate a 6-digit code labeled Binance. Once the 6-digit code appears, go back to your PC and click Next. Finally, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code generated by Google Authenticator. Once you finish this step, your Google Authenticator will be activated. Today, I showed you step by step how to sign up for Binance on your PC. If you have any questions while following along, feel free to leave a comment. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.